Audrey, and my friends and I decided to do this whole vlogger thing together so we could make silly YouTube videos, explore our creativity, and most importantly so we could keep in touch. So I'm the furthest away from my college friends. I am living currently in South Korea. With the weird time differences and the long distance, this is a nice way just to share stories and some of my experiences and thoughts on living in Korea, as well as other things going on in my life. Well, I hope you watch our videos. We'll be trying to upload videos about once a week. And this is my dog.